Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'm showcasing the Tranya T10 12mm driver wireless charging case headphones. You can find these currently for about $50 or $40 depending on where you go on the internet to get these. So most drivers are 8mm, this is 12, so it's quite a bit more. Here's some documentation in here. So some stuff right there from them. They give you a 15-month warranty if you register the product. Here is the wireless charging case. So here you go. Here are the headphones right there. And they're pretty small. But you can see they're a little bit larger because the drivers are 12mm. So they fit well in the ears. I've already tried them out. They're already trying to pair with the phone as you take them out of the case. Pretty small case. It's also wireless charging, so you can put this on a wireless charging pad and it will wirelessly charge. So in 10 minutes of wireless charging in the case, you get up to an hour of listening time. You get up to 8 hours per earbud. So let's say you're listening with both earbuds and you want to just listen with the right earbud. You can take your left and plug it in, and the phone will automatically switch to just the one earbud playing right here. And then, if you want to switch to the left earbud, you can just put the right one in and take this back out. So it's pretty simple. So there are the headphones right there. They start charging immediately in the case. The case gives you about 32 hours of charge time. It also has a USB Type-C port in the back, right there. So you can fast charge with wireless or with wired. Going further in the case, they give you the wired charging cord. There's the USB Type-C charging cord right there, and you get some different ear gels. I found the base to be very good. I've tried AirPods, and those are AirPod Pros are $249, and like I said, these are under $50, so that is fantastic pricing. These work well with the iOS line of devices, the iPhone and Android devices as well. It has Qualcomm aptX technology. It has different licensing as well for the Android and for the iPhone. Here's some details right here you can take a look at. IPX7 waterproof, like I mentioned, and the fast charging, also with the aptX Qualcomm technology. So this is the Tranya T10 headphones. These came out in June of this year, and they're very nice. I listen to songs with a lot of bass and songs with high treble. Both were very clear with these headphones. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.